Everybody, what's going on? As you can see, Vivilandia is super busy. She's staining our butcher blocks, which are going to be going on top of our kitchen over here. As you can see, we have no countertops. Furthermore, we actually cut the countertops down. All right, we got everything because you know what? Come tomorrow, these beautiful little puppies, look at this stuff on the floor. Look at this stuff on the floor. All this stuff is gonna get cut down and put onto our countertops. Let's take you for a little cruise around. Let you see a little bit of everything. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at those new light fixtures actually that we had put in after we removed, what was that thing?
The bulkhead.
We removed the bulkhead. You see that? We cut it out, completely removed it and dropped 3 beautiful lights. We're actually going to be getting the industrial light bulbs tomorrow, correct?
Correct.
Correct. So here we are working like crazy, staining our butcher block tops, which are going to be our countertops, with food safe general finishes wood bowl finish. You're covering it. And it's super easy to apply. You just get an old sock. Look at that. That's one of my old socks. Hey, that's actually one of my socks. You used one of my socks? I can't believe you did that. Okay, I see how you are. Anywho, so you just take an old sock, you get general finishes, wood bowl finish, and you just apply it on each side. And what we did over here is because we had leftover pavers, we lifted them up off of the ground. So in an hour, we're gonna turn them over and we're gonna stain the other side as well. Now this is food safe stain. You could use this, you cannot cut on this. You can have food on it, but you cannot cut on it. I cannot stress that out enough. You cannot cut on these countertops. You could eat food off of them, but you cannot cut on them because it will ruin them. But the difference in these countertops, wowzers. Pretty nice, love it. Yep, the house is completely covered in plastic still because of the fact that these countertops, after we treat them, still have to be cut. And wood dust is immense, as you all know. Those are our leftover pavers that we're using to prop up these things so they can cure for an hour, and then we got to turn them over.
Can you show the people how we have a proper dishwasher outlet now?
Oh yeah, let's show you this. Oh, we have been so busy. You see this? Look at that. Oh, we actually have a proper dishwasher outlet. Yes, you are actually seeing a GFCI outlet there. Yeah, when we bought this house and started renovating everything, lo and behold, the dishwasher that we had was directly wired. No plug, no outlet, no GFCI. No, not a good thing, people. You don't want to do that. You want a plug, and especially a GFCI plug when you have water involved. So anywho, this is where we're at now. We have, at least we have the drop lights now. We've had the counters removed. We're waiting to get the correct light bulbs, which will be arriving tomorrow. And we are currently treating, and we're currently treating our countertops. Keep watching. The best is yet to come.